there are several things that can be done to increase productivity in agriculture. Use improved seeds and plant varieties. Planting improved seeds and plant varieties that are resistant to pests and diseases can help increase crop yields. For example, using hybrid seeds can result in higher yields because they have been bred to have specific desirable traits, such as resistance to pests and diseases, and improved growth characteristics. Implement precision agriculture techniques. Precision agriculture involves using advanced technologies, such as GPS, sensors, and drones, to gather data and make informed decisions about how to manage crops and resources. By using precision agriculture techniques, farmers can use resources more efficiently and increase crop yields. Use modern farm equipment. Using modern farm equipment, such as tractors, harvesters, and irrigation systems, can help farmers work more efficiently and increase productivity. Modern farm equipment is often more precise and efficient than older equipment, which can help reduce the amount of time and resources needed to complete tasks. Practice crop rotation. Crop rotation involves planting different crops in a specific field each year, rather than planting the same crop year after year. This practice can help improve soil health and increase crop yields by reducing the buildup of pests and diseases in the soil and improving soil fertility. Use fertilizers and pesticides appropriately. Fertilizers and pesticides can help improve crop yields by providing the necessary nutrients and controlling pests and diseases. However, it is important to use these products appropriately to avoid negative impacts on the environment and human health. Irrigate properly. Proper irrigation, including providing the right amount of water at the right time, is essential for crop growth and development. Overwatering or underwatering can both negatively impact crop yields. Use good agricultural practices. Good agricultural practices, such as proper planting, weeding, and harvesting techniques, can also help increase productivity in agriculture. Proper techniques can help reduce the amount of resources needed to produce crops, such as water and fertilizers, and improve crop yields. In addition to these specific practices, it is also important for farmers to stay up to date on new technologies and best practices in agriculture, and to have access to reliable market information and financial resources to help them make informed decisions about their operations.